At Nichols Portland Incorporated, we're not just a leader in manufacturing, we're a cutting-edge technology company driving innovation at various metal forming and assembly technologies. A global leader in conventional powdered metallurgy components, metal injection molding, 3D metal printing, pump components, pump assemblies, and specialty valves. We're shaping the future of advanced manufacturing, creating employment opportunities and engaging communities in Maine, Michigan, and Pennsylvania. Our state-of-the-art facilities include 3 locations in Elk County, Pennsylvania, dedicated to metal additive manufacturing, metal injection molding, conventional powdered metallurgy, and specialized assemblies. Our modern operations in Michigan excel in specialty valve and machining, and our Maine facilities are global leaders dedicated to Gerotors, pump components, pump assemblies, pump testing, and analysis. At Nichols Portland, Inc., we believe in the power of our people. We invest in top-tier talent, visionary technology, and teamwork, giving you the tools and opportunities to grow alongside industry leaders. Join Nichols Portland, Inc., and be part of an organization that's leading the way in innovation, technology, and opportunity.